For thousands of years it has been waiting, sealed away in the silent sands of Saqqara, or buried deep within a newly discovered tomb. This is not just a box, it is a time capsule, a final resting place, and a window to a world long gone. Today, for the first time in millennia, we are about to unbox the past. In front of a global audience and with the permission of the Egyptian Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities, a team of world-renowned archaeologists is about to lift the lid on this ancient mystery. Every move is precise. Every tool is handled with care. The air is thick with anticipation and a profound respect for the person who lies within. The last time this sarcophagus saw the light of day was thousands of years ago, a moment we can only imagine. The moment has arrived. With a gentle but firm grip, they begin to pry open the lid. A hush falls over the crowd. Will we find a lavishly decorated mummy, a simple burial, or something else entirely? And there it is, a beautifully preserved mummy, shrouded in linen. The intricate details on the burial wrappings are stunning. A face, a life, a story, brought back into the light after so long. This is not just a thrilling discovery. It is a vital piece of the puzzle. Every unboxing, every tomb, every artifact adds to our understanding of a civilization that continues to captivate the world. The secrets of ancient Egypt are still buried in its sands, and today we've just revealed one more chapter in its incredible history.